In today's lesson, we focus on the definite and the indefinite in the Arabic language. In English, if we want to make something definite, we say the, like the car or the pen. If we want to make something indefinite, we say a car or an apple. In the Arabic language, it's different. Let's look at some examples. Our first example is the word for pen, qalam. If we want to say a pen in modern standard Arabic, we add voweling at the end of the word, tanween damma, and the word becomes qalamun, qalamun. We get the sound of nunation at the end of the word. Qalamun means a pen. If we want to say the pen, we add an alif lam at the beginning of the word. The word also loses nunation, so we only have one vowel marker at the end. Becomes al-kalamu, al-kalamu. Al-kalamu means the pen. Let's look at another example, the word for book. The word for book in Arabic is kitab. If we want to say a book, we say kitabun, kitabun. We add nunation or tanween at the end of the word kitab. If we're talking about a particular book and we want to say the book, we add alif lam to the beginning of the word and a vowel at the end of the word. The vowel at the end of the word can be determined by whatever the placement of that particular word is within the sentence structure. So it could actually change, but here we're going to use damma for simplicity purposes. But you'll notice that we only have one vowel marker. We don't have nunation. So the word is el-kitabu, which means the book. Now let's look at an example with a feminine noun. We know it's a feminine noun because it ends in ta marbuta. The word is jarida. Jarida is the word for newspaper. In modern standard Arabic, if we want to say a newspaper, we add tanween damma to the end of the word, and we pronounce it jaridatun, jaridatun. Now you'll notice when we put voweling over the ta marbuta, it changes the sound that the letter makes. Listen to how I pronounce it without voweling, jarida, and how it sounds with voweling, jaridatun. You'll notice that you hear that ta sound. It's because of the ta marbuta. If we want to say the newspaper, we add alif lam to the beginning of the word and take away one of the vowel markers from the tanween, and it leaves us with one vowel marker. So the word for the newspaper is el-jaridatu, el-jaridatu. Let's look at another feminine example, the word Medina. Medina is a city. In modern standard Arabic, we add tanween damma over the ta marbuta, and it becomes Medinatun, Medinatun, a city. If we want to say the city, again, we add alif lam to the beginning of the word, and we leave just one vowel marker at the end of the word. So it becomes el-Medinatu, el-Medinatu. Remember, in Arabic, nunation indicates that a noun is indefinite. Alif lam indicates that a noun is definite. And always remember that a noun that contains alif lam will never have nunation. You can never have nunation on a word that's definite because nunation indicates indefiniteness.